Okay, let's start. i2c engineer, please watch this. So I got 6S nand IC. Okay, I insert it from here. It's detected 16 GB also from the system. Okay, let's check for the inquiry this information. Okay, it's reading. So I will make the folder backup. Nand IC 6S, because I will put the backup from this folder. Okay, let's back up the bottom data. Okay, now I will save from my computer from the same folder and IC, this one, then save. Okay, let's say there's something wrong with the NAND IC. I got error from the software, error 49, error 9, error 4013. So this is, I will format and repair because I got an error from the flashing. Okay, I will try it. Okay, okay, now it's repairing. It's completed. Okay, I check again for the query this information. Okay, it's normal because I already format the NAND IC. So for now I will back up the bottom layer, and this is the file. Okay, this is the folder NAND IC 6S, same of this NAND IC 6S. This is the file. See, you look at this error. To your product, i2c, what happened? Even I will try to query this information. Try it again. See?